Okay, I have a little unboxing video today. Just some stuff I just recently ordered. Thought I'd share it with you guys. Okay. This. It's the Angry Gun 3-piece barrel kit. I ordered this because wow, it's a little squeaky. Because I wanted to. It comes in 3 pieces. I wanted to order a. I want to build a small, short barrel. Something similar to the Honey Badger or the Rotec RC R5C. Okay, it should be in there. Piece. It's all kinds of, okay, so anything else? Okay, so that's cool. So you can make it this essentially any length you want. And let's see, this steel or aluminum? Feels steel. No, aluminum. Aluminum. So this will be another build I'm working on, just for the fun of it. Very nice. I was gonna originally buy a stock 9.5-inch WeTech barrel for like $40. I didn't cut it down and rethread it, but I don't know how to rethread, and it might screw that up and waste $40. So this opens that. Okay. This is a G&P steel body kit for my KWA M11. I already have one, so I want to do a second one. Well, let me see. I've got one. That's sorry about that, guys, but I want to get this. This is my first M11. It's got the G&P steel upper and lower on it, and I kind of weather it, so it's pretty nice. I like it. So I wanted to. It feels good and it sounds good. So I've been looking for a long time to buy a extended barrel was made for this. I know they stopped making it a long time ago, and I want to build one with the suppressor on it. So I finally found a guy on eBay who actually had one on sale with a suppressor on it. So I decided to buy it from him, and so here's the extended barrel, and it came with this suppressor. So I wanted to use another steel body to put in, so build one with a suppressor and one without. So it's going to be exciting to work on this one. Yeah. And I have a third M11 that only the upper is steel. I couldn't find one that has both upper and lower steel. So anyway, that's that. So another little unboxing I have is let's put this away. They sure know how to pack it. This is I forgot what I ordered here. Oh, it's cool. It's my grip to my GHK AKs. So I'm going to be replacing it. I just recently replaced the rail on my GHK AK-M N, and so I bought a grip for it. It feels very heavy, but it's not steel. It's got just 2 screws here, I guess, for storage or something. So I bought 2 of these to go. Since I'm going to switch to the look of the rail look, I figure I need to change the grip as well. So this is the second grip, and this is, I'm hoping this is going to fit. I bought this on taking a chance that it will fit. It says it should fit the LCT AK, so I hope so. Screws. So, oh nice. This is the dynamic star rail for my GHK AK-74UN. Doubt this is steel. Nope. So nothing about today was steel. This sort of look, have a little bit of a look like the GHK 74U I saw on the animation anime Resident Evil, I think Damnation or something like that, where the main character was carrying around a GHK 74UN and his rail looked something like this. So that'd be cool. Well, I will take time to put stuff together, and I'll do a video on how to install this. Hopefully that it's not hard, and hopefully it fits. Thanks for watching, guys, and touch the lip.